Hello and welcome back to the new video of The Hungry Artist. So today we are going to make another Italian cuisine which is originated from Naples and loved all over the world. So if you love Margherita pizza and truly needs that Italian flavor at home, try this pizza recipe. So let's get started. All you need 1/4 cup lukewarm water. In that water add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of yeast. Mix them well and let it rest for exactly 20 minutes. A perfect yeast mixture means fluffy bubbles on the top, and now it's time for preparing the dough. So here I've taken 1 cup all-purpose flour with half teaspoon of salt and then added that yeast mixture. Mix them well, and if you want you can add little more water in it and knead that dough properly. After that, rest it for minimum 5 hours and you will see that the dough is doubled in its shape. And now a good punch which is so satisfying. Now take some butter. Again knead it well for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Since this pizza includes very less ingredients, so everything should be perfect. And a perfect base is the starting. And now knead it well so you will get that perfect stretchiness. And believe me, it's not that easy. Hats off to those people who regularly make these types of doughs, because you won't be able to attain this type of gluten structure at the very first attempt. So try this for at least 4 to 5 attempts it will take, and then you will get a perfect dough. Now it's time for preparing the pizza base. So sprinkle some all-purpose flour, spread this dough very slowly with your hands. And one basic thing you need to remember is, while preparing this base, remember the borders of this base should be little thick as compared to the middle area. Then add the pizza sauce, and this pizza sauce is prepared very traditionally, like you need to boil these tomatoes and add some basil, black pepper, salt, and that's all. Then add some mozzarella cheese. Here I have sprinkled some basil leaves which are finely chopped with some oregano and chili flakes, and these 3 are totally optional. After that, add some more basil leaves and garnish it with some olive oil. And now it's time for baking. So here I have preheated this for 5 to 7 minutes. Now cover it and bake it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Because I don't have that wooden oven, so it will take 5 to 7 minutes for the baking, and soon you realize that you get an authentic Italian Margherita pizza at home with that perfect crust, perfect base and perfect toppings. Usually this pizza is served hot on a plate or is folded into 4 and wrapped in paper. I mean, like, you can roll this pizza and eat it up without slicing it. So enjoy its making at home and double enjoy its authentic Italian taste at home. So that's all for today. Bye bye.